Hey guys, what's good? This is Andre and today I want to cover NatGas with you guys. Thanks so much for sticking with me. I know I've been gone for a while here, took a few days off. I'm back, so we're gonna get back to work, guys. That being said, I constantly keep posting things on our Patreon community and we've been taking a lot of profits lately. But today I want to cover why we've been missing out on a couple of moves over here for NatGas, and I also want to use it as a case scenario for why if you are stubborn about the market, you're gonna get absolutely crushed. The market does not care about your opinion, so the sooner you understand how the market moves and can adapt your movements to it, the sooner you're gonna be successful. So guys, we actually bought the dip here in NatGas at roughly $2.47 over here. When we retested this horizontal support, we sent out a notification through our Patreon, but then you know what happened the second or third day after buying in, I actually took profits right over here at $2.61, and I am guilty of missing out on this entire move up to $2.72. Guys, this is really important to understand. I thought it was gonna hit resistance here, so I took profits. There's nothing wrong in taking profits if your risk to reward profile remains correct. Now, I didn't re-enter seeing that this will run without me because that wouldn't have been a good enough risk to reward ratio, so I just let it be. Right the next day, basically, I'm gonna go lower here on the 1 hour time frame and blow this one up a little bit more just so we can look at it. But guys, right the next day when I was seeing the topping formation over here on the 1 hour charts, I could have sworn the fact that we are going to be heading lower, and I really wanted to take part in that. So having the ability to keep my stop loss really tight and having such a fantastic kind of 1-to-8 risk to reward ratio, I took this trade. I will take these trades all day, every day, and I actually sent it to my Patreons as well. So we obviously took this trade. It was wrong. No harm, no foul. It's always fine if you have a stop loss associated with what you're trading. Now, guys, what I actually did right after that, having seen the fact that we are now breaking out over here, not only did I take out my stops and kind of folded there, which again is really important. It's important for you guys to understand that we should absolutely never be stubborn about the way that the market moves. So I stopped out and I re-entered a brand new position, and for me, again, I will take these trades all day, every single day, because I was able to then have this kind of risk reward over here. And as you can see, this was a 1-to-5 risk reward roughly. It turned out really fantastically for us. We were able to catch the entire move up over here. We didn't actually catch the move down because I was a little bit uncertain. I didn't want to be selling in such high pressure. And so what we ended up doing here, guys, was just earlier today we sent a couple of signals for a buy position over here from the check into this trend line once more. So we are now effectively long NatGas. Again, it's the same setup, guys. We have a 1-to-8 risk reward ratio. Our stop loss, it's actually 268 or so, and then our take profit is gonna be $3. Guys, I really want to stress this out in today's video. Make sure that you not only understand how the market moves, but how you actually need to move with it in order to make a profit. If you get stubborn, if you get stuck in your ways, if you keep adding to losing positions because you keep feeling like it's gonna retrace, you're gonna get killed. So listen to the market, make sure that you trade with the market and don't get stubborn. Make sure you always have stop losses. This is literally the only way in which you're gonna be able to find success. Guys, I want to keep today's video relatively short. I'm long NatGas. I think that's the highlight here. I think we can move into $3, but maybe we can even finally break above this trend line here, or the channel rather. That would be quite epic because I think that opens up quite significant higher territory here. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care. And please don't forget to check us out on Patreon, guys. We post constant content over there. For just $15 a month, you get some access to our trades. For $50 a month, you get most of our trades, and you could have just caught the bottom on this NatGas move, which will hopefully rally all the way up to $3. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.